Hey! Welcome back to Tunes and Tunes. Let's try again. Let's try again. Alright, so we found an S40 here in the junkyard that has the power steering pump we need for the Vista. It's down in here, tucked away.
Yeah, all you gotta do is rip the bumper off with your hands and rip the fender off with your hands, and it's right there.
It's right there. So this is a 2010 S40. So we're trying to get the...
Make sure you breathe that in.
Yeah, breathe that in. Yeah, we're gonna get to this thing.
Now, if the EPA wants to get a hold of me, my address is drive. Sawzall.
Oh yeah, my cordless one.
Yeah, I could like put a wrench on it. Why would I do that?
Almost out. There it is.
About a 10-pounder.
That's a nice
Still
fish.
leaking blood.
That's a nice fish.
Wow. Rather than try and rig up some sort of combination of DSM and Colt power steering setup, we decided to go with an electric power steering pump from a Volvo. So we're going to start by modifying the Volvo bracket and mount it to the chassis.
Whoa!
Ah! Oh,
It's power. It's a power tool. We're not drilling holes. We're widening them.
And biggening.
Yes.
The wideness is wider now. We needed a larger diameter.
Yeah. So we're doing riv nuts for the power steering bracket. Yeah.
We have one there already and there. And I wanted one on that side.
Yeah.
This is an area where your dad's gun would be a lot easier.
Yeah.
But sometimes you just gotta with the you got.
That's right. That's what they say at school.
In music school?
Yep.
Yeah. Close enough for jazz.
All right. It's still raining.
What?
It's still raining.
Can't hear you over all this rain.
Yeah. All right. So we've got this bracket finished for the power steering pump. He's just tightening it down. So we've got 3 points of contact. There, right up there, and right there. Long bolt.
Well, there'll be the horn on there at some point.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't need to be on for right now.
There we go. There it is. And it's stirred. It's like super stirred.
Oh, am I gonna put all three of them on without throwing them?
All right.
Whoa.
It's not sitting down on this bushing over here.
Hearing. That's not that. Oh, that's it hitting the bolt head for the bracket.
Oh. Do we need to use like a flat Allen bolt?
I don't know.
find out.
Yeah.
Watch that.
There it is, fully finished.
Oh, Swedish, not finished.
He's right. It's Swedish, not Finnish. But yeah, it's in there. It's not rubbing anything. We got just the right amount of clearance there for comfort. We've got our angle that we want for the power steering line. It'll basically kind of just go like that. They'll both go together over there to the rack. And yeah, the power looks like it's really close to the headlight power, but it fits just fine. The headlight power just sneaks in. Wow! Alex did a really good job. He got it real level and everything. And oh, there you can see.
Plenty of clearance.
Plenty of clearance. Yeah, I mean it's level. It honestly looks like it was made for that, and that's what we wanted. So, yep, we have a power steering pump. Now we just got to make a couple. We just got to make a couple lines and hoses.
Ew.
All right, so we're here with Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul.
And Alex found his nut driver outside. We're gonna do something silly here.
Let's see, we're out of propane and propane accessories. Even though I just filled my 20-pound propane tank.
We got this aught gauge solder.
Do you need your Google?
Yep.
And our 8-gauge wire there. And we're gonna try and solder it. And you're only gonna be seeing this if it worked.
Hi, welcome to Jackass. My name's Alex and this is the solder torch.
Why isn't this solder melting? There it goes. Can you focus it more or something?
And burn more of the...
There, it's done. Blow it out.
That's not enough.
All right.
Spool that boy out.
It's out.
Give it here.
All right.
Fine, I'll do it.
Hey, that's lead, man.
No,
this
it's
is
lead free.
Oh, this guy doesn't work.
We really f***ed this up. Okay, make sure the beer bottle doesn't shoot off the high pressure line when we turn the ignition on.
Okay. Wait, you want me to actually do something or just...
I guess like hold your hand near the bottle.
Okay.
Okay. One.
You don't have the relay wire in.
Wait, nope, hold on.
Oh! You don't have the other harness plug in.
You wanna hold the bottle?
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to hold the bottle. It's running. It's coming, I mean, yeah.
Was it spooging out?
Yeah, it was, actually. You can call on the beer bottle. It wasn't pressurized because there's not anything in there.
Yeah, but I figured something would
Yeah.
dribble soup on out of there, but you know, a little champagne of beer never hurt no one.
No, it's got volvo juice in it.
Don't drink the last sip out of that one.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
All right. Nice. It works.
Fluid, all right.
It works.
It works!
Okay, so we've got, you can see it up there, our power steering pump and the lines. The lines come off and they're gonna go around back to the firewall back here, and they'll kind of go along the rack here, and we'll loop them into these fittings up here. You can see we've got the power steering to AN. I believe they're 16, M16 by 1.5 to 6AN. And then our high pressure line, which is PTFE, and this is our low pressure line, which is just regular hose, regular AN hose. So we've got our fittings on. You can see the high pressure goes in front and the low pressure goes behind. Right there, they both kind of double dragging around. And we're gonna make a clamp with we'll put a riv nut in our roll stop here to hold these in place, and they go up. And
I
they,
don't know which beer is mine.
well, neither of them are mine. 2 for you. Okay. Yeah, so we've got the fittings made. Everything's good. We're happy with the routing. We're just gonna clean it up when we clean everything up. So, yeah, that's powerful steering.
Cars that trick your eyes. Transformographer items.